Hello, Connect attendees. Great to see so many new and existing customers and partners learning more about Extreme Networks and joining us on our journey. I'm Kevin Gray, Vice President of the Service Delivery Team. There are many exciting capabilities that are coming out in our future service portfolio. We are excited to couple our product capabilities along with our service offerings to extend and enhance the amount of value that we can provide to our valued customers and partners. But before we can do that, we need to understand a little bit more about the foundation. The foundation is understanding self-service, how to contact the GTAC, and what to do about data and what it means for us. By leveraging our teamwork and working together, we can best position Extreme Networks to answer your questions and solve your problems quickly. With me today are several of my team members, Ron, Sam, Stefan, and Gary, who will all demonstrate a series of best practices. By maximizing our teamwork, we can absolutely use this power to advance. And with that, I'll turn it over to Ron.
Thank you, Kevin. We at Extreme believe that self-service is key to our success. It helps our service delivery team to provide our expanding customer base with information that is needed to solve their problems and answer their questions. Knowledge sharing is such a key component, and that's why across all our service teams, we fully adopted Knowledge-Centered Service, in short, KCS. KCS is a method that encourages building and sharing knowledge in the moment of use. You can find all that knowledge in our support portal that you can find along with all the other great self-help tools that you will hear about today. We currently have 30,000 articles in our knowledge base. Some are very general in nature and some of them are very specific. All are created based on customer demand and can potentially solve your issue. Let's do a portal search with the keywords configure TechX. As you can see, the first results are a mix of content that is found in our knowledge base, the hub, and our technical documentation. We narrow down on the knowledge base. Now you see in the left side panel that we can add additional filters. Assuming that we want to do this on the SLX platform, we select that software facet. The articles that we see now are all a result of our selection. And most likely, in this case, the first result is what we are looking for. When reading this article, you can clearly see that it has all the steps that are needed to accomplish this task. In this short demo, we search for a configuration task, but you can also search for more complex error messages or unexpected behavior. The content of our knowledge base is not owned by a special group of technical writers, but it's owned by the people who use it every day, the support agents at our support desks. That's the power of KCS. Every support engineer can add and improve the content of our knowledge base. I'm now going to clear the stage for Sam Parek. She will take us to another key aspect of self-service, which is the hub.
Thank you, Ron. I'm Sam Pyrock, your new community moderator. Some of you may know me from the Aerohive community, where I had the honor of working as community moderator for 3 years. I've recently joined the Extreme team, and I'm very excited to show you our community and the great plans we have for the future. From our homepage, you can search through more than 15,000 community topics to see if another community member has already found the answer. You can also post new questions and ideas to the community for help from your 38,000 fellow community members, as well as Extreme support engineers. We value all contributions, and we honor our top contributors on our leaderboards every week. The community team is committed to providing the best resources to help you keep your network running as smoothly as possible. We strive to provide self-service resources as well as access to expert help for those opportunities that require that professional edge. Our goals for the future include answering all community questions within 24 hours when possible, enhancing ease of use within the community by streamlining topic boards and adding new in-demand topics, enhancing notifications to keep you up to date on all firmware releases, security updates, and more. We're adding vast knowledge-based resources to the community and enhancing our leaderboards to offer more competitive ways to gain recognition and perks for helping your fellow community members. We're also adding extra resources for the many exciting events Extreme is hosting, including the Connect 2020 conference, so be sure to check out the hub for Q&A follow-ups and more during the conference. With the help of our brilliant thousands of community members, the opportunities are limitless. With your input, we can continue to advance to new and exciting heights. As you use the many resources available in the community today, please don't hesitate to reach out to community@extremenetworks.com with any comments or suggestions you may have. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to advancing with you. I'm going to pass things over to Stefan now to talk about our GTAC team.
Thank you, Sam. Hello, I'm Stefan Veselinovic, and I'll be reviewing the best ways to obtain support from Extreme Networks. When our self-help tools are not enough for you to find what you need, our GTAC team is ready to help via phone or our support portal. If you have a pressing issue and would like to work on it right away, we encourage you to contact us on the phone. We have phone numbers for over 50 countries that you can reach us from. One of our highly trained engineers will be ready to take your call, listen to what you need accomplished, and work with you to provide the desired solution. We're available 24/7, 365, and eager for you to advance with us. Our support portal is another avenue to get in touch with our GTAC team and a good way to create cases for general inquiries. Make sure you're registered at extremeportal.force.com to have full access to your company's previous and current cases. The support portal allows you to update your cases, as well as your company's cases, check all the interactions on cases, and validate your assets. Here, we can see an existing case that was opened, with all of their case comments here, and the ability to upload and download files here. You can also review entitlements and manage licensing for Extreme products through the support portal. For you as a customer, we provide the ability to request management review on any of your cases if you're not receiving the attention you need. Finally, we've recently updated our case statuses to be better equipped in our responsiveness to your updates. When engaging with our GTAC team, there are some fairly common inquiries that are incredibly helpful to have answered at the start of the case. We encourage you to have information ready on the following questions. What are the symptoms? When did the issue first start to occur? Can you replicate the issue, or is it totally sporadic? How frequent is the issue? How widespread is the issue? What is the business impact? When the issue occurs, is there a known workaround in order to temporarily mitigate the issue? What have you done so far in an attempt to isolate or debug the issue? Having answers to these questions at the initial engagement will enable our team to begin working on your issue without delay. In addition to these questions, GTAC will require the serial number of the device help is needed for, in order to verify entitlement for support. Gathering tech support data from our devices will be another tool GTAC uses to identify issues and resolve them. That concludes my review on how to best obtain support from Extreme Networks. Gary, off to you.
Thank you, Stefan. Hello, I'm Gary Smith, Director of Technical Support for the EMEA region. I'd like to give you a brief overview of the data we collect in the cloud, and then how we will leverage that data to enhance our service and support capabilities. Extreme Cloud IQ currently ingests telemetry from over 5 petabytes of traffic every day from customer networks. To explain what that means, 1 petabyte of data is equal to 13.3 years of high-definition video. Therefore, every day, Extreme Cloud IQ analyzes health and behavioral patterns of the data equivalent of 66 years of HD video. Currently, we have almost 100,000 virtual XIQ accounts in the cloud, with nearly 1 million managed devices and over 2 million connected client devices. All of our cloud customers have a 90 days of data visibility by default, but we are not done yet. A real game changer is that all of our new customers can choose between a 90-day data plan or an unlimited data plan. A customer can access an unlimited data horizon, meaning their entire data set is available for the full duration of service. So what's next? With all of this data at hand, we are able to use our guided support tool, Copilot, Copilot will use machine learning and data analytics to sift through data in a much quicker way than humans ever could. Our data scientists create models and algorithms to decipher and understand the data, to understand anomalies in behavior. Copilot will allow us to learn through data collection and be proactive in resolving issues. The intention is to predict failures before they happen. The outcome will be happy customers. Thank you from all of us at the Service Delivery team. We look forward to you advancing with us. Please stand by for the Q&A.